20 September 2020, Madhuban, Avyakt Babdada, Om Shanti, Revise 25th March 1986. Murli's heading: The Confluence Age is the age of a holy life. Today, Babdada is looking at the royal Alaukik court or gathering of self-servants, master of the self. He is seeing a crown of light sparkling on each of you elevated souls. This royal court or gathering is a holy gathering. Each one of you, pure and worthy of worship souls, has not become pure, that is, holy, for just this one birth, for the line of becoming pure, that is, of becoming holy, is a long line of many births. Throughout the whole cycle, other souls also become pure and holy, just as pure souls, as founders of religions, become instrument to establish a religion. So, along with those, many who are called great souls also become pure. However, there is a difference between their purity and the purity of you souls. The method for you to become pure is extremely easy. You don't have to make any effort because you souls easily receive from the Father the inheritance of peace, happiness, and purity. By having this awareness, you easily and automatically become imperishable. People of the world become pure, but by making effort, and they don't attain purity as an inheritance for 21 births. Today, according to the world, it is the day of Holi. They celebrate Holi, whereas you become holy souls by becoming colored with the color of the Supreme Soul. Celebrations take place for only a short time, whereas you become that is for a lifetime. They celebrate for a day, whereas you make your life holy. This confluence age is the age of a holy life. So, you have become colored with the color, that is, you have been colored with the permanent color, and there is no need to wash it off. You become equal to the Father for all time. At the confluence age, you experience the karmatit and incorporeal stage equal to that of the incorporeal Father, and you experience the elevated life of being full of all virtues and completely viceless, equal to that of Father Brahma for 21 births. So, your holy is to become equal to the Father through the color of his company. Let the color be so fast that you make others equal. Does anyone in the world celebrate Holi in such a way? You come here to play Holi in order to make others equal to the Father. Every soul is colored forever with many different colors by the Father. The color of knowledge, the color of remembrance, the color of many powers, the color of virtues, elevated vision, elevated attitude, elevated good wishes, and elevated pure feelings are automatically created. This spiritual color is applied so quickly. You have become holy. That is, you have celebrated Holi. When those people celebrate Holi, their form become the same as their quality. What would they look like if someone were to take their photograph at that time. After celebrating Holi, what do they become? However, when you celebrate Holi, you become angels and then deities. All of these are your memorials. But because they do not have spiritual power, they are unable to celebrate in a spiritual way. Because they have become extroverted, they are only able to celebrate in an extrovert way. Your celebration is an accurate, auspicious meeting. The speciality of Holi is to burn. First to burn, then to celebrate, and then to have an auspicious meeting. The memorial of these three specialities is created. This is because in order to become holy, all of you had to burn all your old sanskars and old memories in the fire of yoga. It was only then that you celebrated Holi with the color of his company. That is, you colored yourself with the Father's color. When you become colored with the Father's company, every soul of the world becomes part of God's family. Because you are part of God's family, good wishes for souls automatically become a natural sanskar. Therefore, you always continue to celebrate an auspicious meeting with one another. Even if someone is an enemy or has devilish sanskar, you definitely sprinkle them with drops of God's color with this auspicious spiritual meeting. What do you do to anyone who comes to you? To embrace everyone means to embrace them while considering them to be elevated souls. They are children of the Father. This loving meeting, the meeting of good wishes, enables those souls to forget the old things. They too become enthusiastic. Therefore, the memorial has been created as a festival. So, to celebrate Holi with the Father means to become equal to the Father with the same permanent spiritual color. Those people are unhappy. That is why they have special days to celebrate in happiness. However, you always continue to sing and dance in happiness and to celebrate in pleasure. Those who are more confused think, what happened? Why did it happen? How did it happen? And are unable to stay in pleasure. You have become Trikaladarshi, and so you cannot have the thoughts of what or why, because you know all three aspects of time. Why did it happen? You know that was a test paper to make you move forward. Why did it happen? It was nothing new. So, there is no question about what happened or how it happened. Maya came to make you even stronger and then went away. So, those who have the Trikaldarshi stage do not get confused about this. The answers come together with the questions because you are Trikaldarshi. If your name is Trikaldarshi and you do not even know the present or why it happened or how it happened, then how can you be called Trikaldarshi? You have been victorious many times and you will continue to be that. You know the past and the future, that you are Brahmins who are to become angels and then deities from angels. It is a question of today and tomorrow. Questions end and a full stop is applied. The meaning of holy is holy means it has already happened. The past is the past. Do you know how to put full stop in this way? This is also the meaning of holy. You know about the Holi in which you burn something. You know about the Holi of coloring yourself with the color. You also know about the Holi of applying a full stop. You also know about the Holi of celebrating an auspicious meeting. You know how to play all four types of Holi. Do you not? If any one type of Holi is missing, the crown of light will not be able to stay on. It would keep falling off. When a crown does not fit properly, it keeps falling off. Have you passed in celebrating all four types of Holi? You have to become equal to the Father, and the Father is complete and perfect. For how long will you have the stage of having a percentage? Whoever you love, it is not difficult to become equal to that one. You are always loving to the Father, and so why are you not always equal? It is easy, is it not? Acha, Bap Dada is giving imperishable congratulations for becoming equal to the Father, the highest of the highest, to all you holy swans who remain constantly holy and happy. Baba is giving you congratulations for becoming constantly equal to the Father and for always celebrating with pleasure in the holy age. Baba is giving you congratulations for constantly being a holy swan and becoming filled with jewels of knowledge. Baba is giving you congratulations for being colored with all colors and becoming a worthy of worship soul. You are being given congratulations along with love, remembrance to the masters, the children of the Father, who is the server, who are constantly saluted, love, remembrance, and namaste. Today, it is the turn of Malaysia Group, Southeast. Do all of you understand why you had disappeared? You got off the steamer of God's family and went away into so many different corners. You were lost in the ocean of the world because in the copper age, instead of the soul bomb, you were hit by the bomb of the consciousness of bodies. Ravan dropped the bomb, and so the streamer was broken into bites. The streamer of God's family broke up, and you disappeared to different places. Wherever you found support, when those who are downing receive support from anywhere, they take it. So, whatever religion and country you received a little support from, you went there. However, the sanskars are the same. This is why, although you went into another religion, as soon as you received the introduction of your religion, you came here. You disappeared all over the world. This separation was also beneficial. It enabled many souls to emerge. You became benefactors in giving the world the introduction of God's family. If everyone were to be in Bharat, how would world service take place? This is why you went into the different corners. Someone or other has reached all the main religions. If even one emerges, he definitely awakens his equals. Babdada too is pleased to see the children again after they have been separated from him for 5000 years. All of you are also happy, are you not? You have arrived here. You have been found. No VIPs has yet come from Malaysia. They too are made instrument with the aim of doing service. They become instruments for serving at a fast speed, and this is why they have to be kept at the front. For the Father, only you are the elevated souls. You are elevated in your spiritual intoxication. There is so much difference between you worthy of worship souls and those who are trapped by Maya. You have to give recognition to ignorant souls. There is now expansion in Singapore too. Wherever the specially beloved jewels of the Father go, they enable other jewels to emerge. By maintaining courage, you are moving forward in service with love. Therefore, you will receive the elevated fruit of your efforts. You have to gather together your family. You are so happy when someone who has been separated from your family comes back to the family and you have gratitude in your hearts. They too would be singing so many songs of thanks having come to the family. You became instruments and made them belong to the Father. At the confluence age, you receive many garlands of thanks. Acha, elevated virgins, be a constantly great donor. To be a great donor means to give all the treasures you have received to all souls without any selfish motives. To be altruistic, only a soul who is beyond any selfish motives can be a great donor. To experience happiness in the happiness of others is to be a great donor. Just as an ocean is full, limitless, and constant, means undiminishing, so you children too are masters of limitless treasures. Be a great donor and continue to use for others all the treasures you have received. Constantly have deep love for all the souls who come into relationship with you, whether devotee souls or ordinary souls. Let them receive the fruit of their devotion. The more merciful you become, the easier it will be to show the path to wandering souls. You have the biggest treasure of all, which is happiness. Therefore, continue to donate this treasure of happiness. Whoever you give happiness to will repeatedly give thanks to you. When you have given the donation of happiness to souls who are unhappy, they will sing your praise. Become a great donor in this and distribute the treasure of happiness. Awaken your equals and show them the path. Now, according to the time, be a great donor and a bestower of blessings with your physical senses, with your forehead. Remind everyone of his or her original form. With your eyes, remind them of their original land and show them the way to their kingdom. With your lips, clarify the knowledge of the Creator and creation and give them the blessing of becoming a deity from a Brahmin. With your hands, constantly be an easy yogi and give them the blessing of becoming a karma yogi. With your lotus feet, follow the Father at every step and become a bestower of the blessings of accumulating multi-millions at every step. In this way, continue to give a great donation and blessings through every physical organ. Become a master bestower and consider yourself to be responsible for transforming situations, for making weak souls powerful, and for transforming the atmosphere and attitude with your powers. Become a constant benefactor and have the thought of giving cooperation and the great donation and blessings of power. I have to give. I have to do this. I have to change. I have to become humble. Those who take the initiative in this are Arjuna. They imbibe the speciality of a great donor. Now, become an embodiment of experience for all souls. Become a mine of spatial experiences and give the great donation of making souls embodiments of experience on the basis of your experience, so that every soul becomes like Angad. Not that they are just moving along, are doing everything, listening to and relating everything. No. Let them sing the song that they have attained the treasure of experience and swing in the swing of happiness. You children must continue to distribute all the treasures that you have received from the Father. That is, you must be great donors. Anyone who comes to you should not leave empty handed. All of you are companions for a long period of time, and you also have a right to the kingdom for a long period of time. Be great donor and a bestower of blessings for the weak souls of the final period, and donate and perform the charity of giving them an experience. This act of charity will make you worthy of worship and praise for half the cycle. You are goddesses who are filled with the wealth of knowledge. From the moment you become Brahmins, you receive the treasure of knowledge and powers. Use these treasures for yourself and others, and your happiness will increase. Become a great donor in this. To be a great donor means that this donation continues constantly. The greatest act of charity in godly service is the donation of purity. To become pure and make others pure is to become a charitable soul, because this donation frees souls from committing the greatest sin of suicide of the soul. Impurity is suicide of the soul, whereas purity is the donation of life. Give the donation of becoming pure and making others pure and become a charitable soul. To be a great donor means to become spiritually merciful and give extra power to completely weak, hopeless, and powerless souls. A great donor means to create hope in completely hopeless cases. Therefore, be a master creator, become a great donor, and continue to donate powers, knowledge, virtues, and all the treasures you have attained. Donations are always given to those who are completely poor. Support is given to those who are without support. Therefore, be a great donor to the subjects and devotee souls of the final period. Brahmins are not great donors for one another. They are cooperative companions of one another. You are brothers and equal effort makers, and so you must therefore give each one cooperation. The spiritual father says Namaste and good morning to the spiritual children, and spiritual children says good morning and Namaste to the spiritual father. Blessing. May you become a world benefactor and serve with the powerful attitude of your mind. Explanation. In order to show the right path to disparate souls of the world, be a lighthouse and a might house, exactly like the Father. Have the aim of definitely giving something or other to each soul. Whether you give liberation or liberation in life, be a great donor and a bestower of blessings for all. At present, you serve your own places, but now, while in one place, serve the world with the power of your mind through the atmosphere and vibrations. Create such powerful attitude that an atmosphere is created. You will then be said to be a world benefactor. Slogan. By doing the exercise of becoming bodiless and observing the diet of no waste thoughts, make yourself healthy. Om Shanti.